Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Word product activation field in Windows 11 or 10. Okay, first things first, open the File Explorer on your computer. Go then to your C drive in File Explorer, and inside the C drive, just locate and access the Program Files folder. Within the Program Files folder, find and open the Microsoft Office folder. Inside the Microsoft Office folder, just look for the Office 16 folder and make sure to access it. Within the Office 16 folder, you should find a file name OSPP rearm. So make sure to locate this file, and after that, just right-click on it, and from the context menu, select Run as Administrator. Lastly, close Microsoft Word if it is open. After running the OSPP rearm file as an administrator, just reopen Microsoft Word. And that should fix it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Word product activation field in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.